Hi everyone, so this is that easy tunnel that I purchased. It has the micro mesh. So I was thinking of putting the cauliflower under that. I've got to clean out all those weeds, and I have some weed blocker. I've got the plastic, and then I've got that weed blocker you can get from the big box store that the water just drains through, but I don't know if it retains moisture, whether I should use the plastic or that other weed blocker. But yeah, I'll put this down, I'll clean out all these weeds, and then I'm going to have to put, because of the rabbits, see if I can scrounge around and get enough of the chicken wire around this. So this is the cauliflower here, and I've seen those white moths over here, and but you see them on the flowers for the tomatoes, but I don't know if that's a cabbage moth, and if that lays eggs on these plants. So I think that's, what one of the ideas of the micro mesh. Oh, is that already aphids on this? That's another problem, I guess, with this cauliflower is aphids. So I have to get these in the ground. Get these fabric staples and that weed block. I think I'll use that. So that's a lot cleaner look. I know it's not rocket science, but every year I spend a lot of time pulling weeds, getting tired of it. So the less weeds, less time I need to spend cleaning up the garden. So this will just, I'll make slits where I want to plant my vegetables. And might have some additional stuff in here besides whatever's underneath this mesh tunnel. And the mesh stakes the tunnel stakes will also act as the fabric staples too, keeping the fabric down. Not that it needs any more staples, it's pretty secure. Okay, I'm done for the day. I've accomplished what I wanted to do. It's too hot. I have to go in. But there's the low tunnel there, the mesh. And I've got 4 cauliflower under that. I've got room for some other stuff at the end there. I thought maybe I could get some eggplants underneath there, but I think it's too low. Put in a couple of tomatoes, Delicious 100 Indigo Rose right here. And a couple of eggplants, and then a jalapeno pepper plant right there. So this is New England gardening. A nice enclosed garden area here so the rabbits can't get in. And I have a nice ground cover there so I don't have to, or weed block, so I don't have to spend too much time pulling weeds, or cut down on the time pulling weeds. This is New England gardening. Thanks for watching.